2, 3, 4. In this video we're going to look at how I play the much recorded song for Ireland, written by Phil and June Coakley. Now I'm playing it in the key of A, but as you see I have a capo here on fret 2, which allows me to play it in the key of A but using the chord shapes from the G major scale. So when I play G major, because of the capo, I'm actually playing A major. So I'll be referring to the chords with their shape names, so that'll be G. We have a few chords to look at here. We've got the G, G major, C major and D major. We also have D7, E minor, and we have two additional chords you might not be familiar with. A minor 7, which is like A minor with the ring finger removed, and the other chord is G6 or G add 6, I think that's the correct name for it anyway. And how we play that, we fret 5th string 2nd fret and 2nd string 3rd fret, and I am fretting those with my middle finger on the 5th string and pinky on the 2nd string. Now the reason I have those two chords in, the A minor 7 and that G add 6, is that there's a nice run up from the 5th string to the 4th string. So they will be the bass notes. And then we add a picking pattern to that. And leads us back to G. And you'll spot that later on when you look at the chord prompts at the end of this lesson. The little intro is the first line of the song, and I have the tabs of that included in the resource section. You'll get that on the website. I also have included the lyrics with chords also in that resources section, so if you want to check that out, might be worth checking out the site. We have well over 100 similar lessons on songs and tunes popular in Ireland. Now I'm using a picking pattern to accompany the song, and the pattern I'm using is as follows: picking the root note, the bass note with my thumb, and in the case of G major this always is 6th string, then 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string. So, and I count as follows: 1 and 2 and that's half a bar. It's 4 beats in a bar, and that's 1 and 2 and to finish the bar then I could pick the 6th string again as follows: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But I'm changing the bass for the second half of the bar. So I'm picking the fourth string with my thumb as follows: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. In a good few instances in the song, you will be changing halfway through a bar anyway. For example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But in each case, when you go to a new chord, the 1 beat or the 3 beat will be picked with your thumb, and your fingers will pick the same pattern: second, third, first. So for D7 I was picking the root note, the bass note, which is the fourth string, 1 and 2 and fourth, second, third, first. Now let's just look at that little run up again, the run from the fifth string up to the fourth string. The root note for the A minor 7 chord is going to be A, which is the fifth string open, so I pick 1 and 2 and. Now I'm going to change chord to that G add 6 chord. If this chord gives you any trouble at all, just play G major. It will work just fine. This is 3 and 4 and. So those two chords, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that brings us on to the A, B to the C chord, 1 and 2 and. And this brings us then to the D string, the fourth string, and the D7 chord shape. And this is 3 and 4 and. So I'll do that again. A7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. C, 1 and 2. D7. If you prefer to strum along rather than finger pick the tune, any 4/4 strumming pattern would suffice. Start off, I suppose, if you're just learning the song, by playing a down strum on the 1 beat and on the 3 beat. And then you progress to, when you're familiar with the chord changes, to a strum pattern. The following strum pattern will do. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now to suit the song you're going to have to change that. You could also do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and, or a combination of both. 2, 3, 4.